What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the MFG Code. In the second part of our very easy project series in Python, we'll write a program that analyzes the decimal number entered by the user. So, let's try to understand how the program executes together. We'll enter a positive number containing a decimal point as input, and then displays the number of digits to the left of the decimal point, and also the number of digits to the right of the decimal point. As you can see in the example, it's a decimal number, right? And the output is 3 digits to left of decimal point and 5 digits to right of decimal point. So let's start coding. Try this question yourself before I start coding. If you can't solve this, follow the solution. First, we will receive input from the user. Number input, enter a number. Then we need to determine the index of the point in the input we receive. We'll use the find function for this. Point index equal to number dot find function, and parameter is dot. Okay. And also, we need the length of the input because we'll get the output by subtracting the index value of the point from the length of the input. Length of number equal to len number. Now we can start writing our print functions. Print point index and of digits to the left of the decimal point. Print length of the number minus point index minus 1 of digits to the right of the decimal point. Now we can look at the program how to execute. Enter a number. For example, 12390 dot 4241. 5 of digits to the left of the decimal point, 4 of digits to the right of the decimal point. Thank you for watching me. Please subscribe the channel and like the video. See you in the next video.